Alright, there's just lots of snow right here, see? Look. Hey, Mom! Alright. Alright, sorry, the snow's really deep, guys. The snow's really deep. Alright. And it's all snowy out. There's actually a snowstorm sort of last night. Just call me. Yeah, I'm alright. Alright. And it's snowing out. Just giving you a weather report, sort of, guys. It's like a little news report. Snow. Give you an idea of what my neighborhood looks like. I'm going to go sledding later, and yeah, it's snowy out, you can tell, because alright, I'm walking on the street right here because there's no, it's all snowy, so there's not going to be cars going by here. I think I'm going to get hit by a car, but no, I'm alright with that. But no, I'm definitely not alright getting hit by a car, but you know, I don't want to talk about the rest because it's embarrassing. Yeah. Let's go see what the basketball court looks like. All these Christmas decorations are still up. These are the abominable snowman from Rudolph. Right there, see? And there's the blow up thing for it's sort of like Rudolph, but it's a dog. It's actually a dog dressed up in. Sorry, I'm just filming. Just a dog dressed up as a ranger, yeah. Fields of snow. There. Alright. This is what the tennis court looks like. And the basketball court. Covered in snow. Hang on. I don't know if I should hang. I'm a little afraid that I'm gonna. Okay. Alright. Chilly out here, guys, because it's all snow. Okay, I'm gonna see what the road looks like. Our development right here, Timbercrest. Oh, hang on. Car coming. That sign right there. Hang on. Okay. Timbercrest right there. Show you what the road looks like. It's just, hang on. is so deep. So, I have to get this by that pole. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay. Give me a tour. Hey, how are you? How are you doing? Doing good. I'm just, hey, Madison, right?
Yeah.
I'm just walking around the neighborhood. I'm just my GoPro right there. See, look, and you're on it.
Oh, hey.
Hey, and how's Dylan doing?
Good. He's sleeping still.
Sleeping still, and just you're walking around too.
Yep.
Yep. That's what I thought you guys were. I'm just gonna. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Maybe we'll go sledding together later. Yeah. All right. Just my friend. All right. Let's see what else we can find. There's some special we can find, but pretty sure there is. But my friend Dylan's sister. That's my friend Dylan. That's my friend Dylan's sister. Her name was Madison, and there's another Madison in this neighborhood too. Hawk, I believe her last name is. I think. Yeah, that's why I'm thinking about that. That's her house right there. Car's covered with snow. It's a truck right there. There's Target right there, right behind the trees. Oh, flip. Filming around the neighborhood. There, that's Dylan's house. Covered with, that's a sewer that's covered with snow. Alright. Alright, cleaning up after your dog. It's the wall sign right there. Man, the snow's deep. Okay. That's the other Madison's house right there. Should go by and stop and see her, but I don't know. I got it. And it's the next day. And there's Gino.
Hey, buddy.
We're shoveling the snow right there.
Hey.
Okay. Hey, Vince! How are you? don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Anyways, guys, welcome back. This is the next day. Yesterday I did a video. Now I'm doing another one today. This is what the street looks like. This doesn't look like a picnic for us. Not really. Hey, Vince! 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 I'm gonna go walk around. Is that alright? Alright. Hey, Eddie, how are you? Doing good. Got my GoPro on. Hello. No, not really. Sorry, I got a GoPro right there. I have a YouTube channel. Yeah. There's the snow right there. So, it's the next day, like I said. Alright. Showing you what the snow looks like. See? It's a little melting away, but I'm gonna go sledding later, to be honest, guys. So, and, I pretty much, got more to report, the weather, but, alright, see that? It's all deep in snow, look. Check that out. I'm not gonna walk, hang on. I may show what the basketball court looks like. I'll go check that out. The pavement's all clear now. Not all clear, but some of it. They just made a path right there since there's no snow. But this is. Oh wait, no, it does fall them where it ends, but no. And the basketball court and the tennis court. It's like I'm doing a vlog at Driftwood, but no, this isn't at Driftwood. This is at sorry, the sun's in my eye. Hey, look at that! They made like a little ice sculpture right there. They made like a fortress or something. Something like that. I don't want to slip or something. Free on my slip. And the basketball court, it's all covered. Alright. That is. No, I wonder if I can get that. Look, see that? That's snow right there. Alright. See, I'm gonna go see what else is up. Alright. How you doing, Vince? We're shoveling, aren't we? Yes, we are. We're gonna go sledding later, I can tell. Bulldozing all the snow. It's all been bulldozed over, I can tell. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good. let me see what Sal's doing.
Yeah, go show.
There he is.
What about him? I got him.
Here goes Salvatore.
Yeah, come on. Come on, Sal.
Covered in snow. Alright. What you doing, Sal? Look at him. Look what he's doing. Alright. There goes Alex right there.
No, no, I'm looking at right now.
He's playing with Salvatore. Hey Vince. I don't know if I should jump on these things or not.
No.
Alright.
Jump over there though. Why is that on your head, Moon?
Because I'm going sledding later. Alright. Alright, Sam lay on the snow. Alright. Okay. Alright, my legs are frozen. Alright, we're at the other side of the Timbercrest now. Just walking around here. Alright. I'm just Alright. This is what my backyard looks like. Then we're gonna go sledding, guys. Look, there's our sleds right there. Oh my god, there's, I don't want to put that right there. There's a crack right there, sorry. Alright. Oh, it was unlocked. Good idea. Alright. So, alright. And it's like a sand, it's like, or not sand, I almost said sand dune, but yeah, she does. I'm going to, hang on. This is what our hill looks like right there. Alright. This is the first time I'm doing this, and this is actually the first time I'm sledding with my GoPro. Do I hold it like this, or which way do I hold it? Which way? Maybe this way? Okay, thanks. Alright. Alright. Let's try it out, guys, alright? Alright, here we go. Okay, that was awesome. Alright. Awesome, guys. I think I should use that again, though. Alright. Whoa! Okay. Alright. That was awesome. How'd you like it, Alex? Fun, eh? Alright, let's try one more time. Alright. Here we go. Whoa. Man. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try doing it with my selfie stick now. Now I'm gonna use my for see that? Your Alex going. Alright. Here we go. I'm gonna try not to brag, but until my GoPro gets all piled up. Whoa. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Oh god. Okay, let me try one more time. Hang on. Alright. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. How'd you like it? Alright. You wanna go again? Alright. One more time. Okay. Man, that was awesome, guys. Alright. We're done. Here's my hot chocolate right here.
I can't believe you can't sled. That sucks.
I'm right next to Pistino. And there's vents right there.
Hello, Mikey.
Alright.
Definitely don't go away. Go away in the back. You got
Alright,
the-
well.
Not the liquid kind of stuff.
The Sprite? Sprite, red.
Are you ready?
Man, it's hot.
What are you doing? What are you filming?
I'm filming myself drinking hot chocolate.
No one told you drinking hot chocolate.
I don't know.
I don't. No one told you drinking hot chocolate. I don't.
Well, one of my viewers love it.
Let me film you.
Alright.
Look at that head.
Hey, I'm drinking my hot chocolate.
Does it taste good?
Yeah, it does.
How was sledding?
It was awesome. And I filmed my GoPro holding it and putting it on my head.
Cool. Anything dirty, give to me. I'll put it in.
It's hot. Alright.